Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let go of the day's worries. Tonight, as you sleep, your mind and body will begin a powerful transformation. Healing is not just physical, it starts deep within, in the thoughts you think, the emotions you hold, and the energy you carry. Science has shown that your mind has the ability to rewire itself, to release pain, to restore balance, and to create a new reality. While you rest, your subconscious is awake, absorbing new patterns, shifting old beliefs, and guiding you toward deep healing. This is your time. A time to let go of stress, to free yourself from limitations, and to step into a state of peace, wholeness, and renewal. Breathing calmness, exhale resistance. You are safe, you are healing, and as you sleep, your transformation begins. Are you ready to heal from within? Let's begin. The mind-body connection. Your mind and body are not separate, they are deeply intertwined, influencing each other in ways you may not even realize. Every thought you think, every emotion you feel, sends signals throughout your body, shaping your health, energy, and overall well-being. The power of your mind is extraordinary, can either trigger stress and illness or promote deep healing and renewal. Think about a moment when you felt extreme stress or anxiety. Your heart raced, your muscles tensed, and your breathing became shallow. This is because your thoughts triggered a biological response in your body, activating the survival mode, often known as the fight or flight response. In this state, your body is not focused on healing or growth. Instead, it is prioritizing survival, which can weaken your immune system, disrupt sleep, and drain your energy. Now imagine the opposite. Picture yourself in a peaceful state, feeling safe, relaxed, and content. In this state, your body releases healing chemicals, endorphins, serotonin, and dopamine, natural substances that promote relaxation, repair damaged cells, and strengthen the immune system. When your mind is calm and positive, your body follows, shifting into a state of deep healing. The secret to unlocking your full healing potential is learning how to align your thoughts and emotions with well-being. Your body takes cues from your mind, and when you program your subconscious with thoughts of wholeness, strength, and vitality, you activate a powerful healing process. Sleep is the perfect time for this transformation to take place. As you drift into deep rest, your subconscious mind becomes more receptive, absorbing positive affirmations and letting go of old limiting beliefs. This is why guided meditation before sleep can be so powerful. It allows you to replace stress with peace, fear with confidence, and exhaustion with renewal. As you prepare for rest, remind yourself, I am healing. My mind and body are in perfect harmony. I release all negativity and embrace complete wellness. With these thoughts, your body will listen, and the process of deep healing will begin. Neuroplasticity and healing. Your brain is not fixed. It is constantly changing, adapting, and reshaping itself based on your thoughts, experiences, and emotions. This incredible ability, known as neuroplasticity, is the key to transforming your mind and body. No matter what you've been through, no matter what limiting beliefs or emotional wounds you carry, you have the power to rewire your brain for healing, strength, and renewal. Every thought you think creates neural pathways in your brain like trails in a forest. The more you repeat a thought, the stronger that pathway becomes. If you constantly focus on stress, fear, or negativity, your brain reinforces those patterns, making it harder to feel peace and well-being. But here's the good news: you can choose to rewire your mind for healing. During sleep, your brain becomes highly receptive to new information. This is why guided meditation and positive affirmations before bed can accelerate healing. As your conscious mind rests, your subconscious absorbs new patterns, replacing fear with confidence, doubt with belief, and stress with relaxation. And this is not just wishful thinking, it is science. Studies have shown that people who practice positive visualization and then meditation experience real physiological changes, from reduced inflammation to improved immune function. To harness neuroplasticity for healing, focus on what you want to become, not what you want to avoid. Before sleep, visualize yourself as completely healed, feeling strong, energized, and at peace. Repeat affirmations like, every cell in my body is healing and regenerating. I am releasing all past pain and stepping into a new version of myself. My mind is calm, my heart is open, and my body is in perfect harmony. The more you repeat these beliefs, the stronger they become. Over time, your brain will no longer default to stress and worry, will shift toward healing, resilience, and empowerment. As you sleep, let your brain do what it was designed to do: heal, evolve, and transform. Let go of the past and step into a future filled with strength, balance, and inner peace. The power of visualization. Your mind does not know the difference between reality and a vividly imagined experience. This is the secret behind visualization, a powerful technique that can accelerate healing, transform your emotions, and shift your body into a state of renewal. What you consistently picture in your mind becomes your reality, because your brain and body respond to mental images as if they are real. Think about elite athletes. Many of them use mental imagery to train their bodies before even stepping onto the field. They visualize every movement, every success, and every sensation of victory. Studies have shown that athletes who practice visualization improve their performance almost as much as those who physically train. Why? Because their brains send signals to their muscles as if they are already in motion, strengthening neural pathways and preparing the body to execute those actions in reality. The same principle applies to healing. When you visualize yourself in a state of perfect health, strong, energized, and free from pain, your brain begins to reprogram itself to match that image. It sends signals to your nervous system, immune system, and even your cells, triggering biological responses that promote healing and regeneration. Before you sleep, take a few moments to see yourself as completely healed. Close your eyes and imagine a version of you that is radiant, vibrant, and at peace. Feel the strength in your body, the calmness in your mind, and the joy in your heart. Breathe it deeply and let this image become real in your mind. As you visualize, repeat affirmations such as, "My body knows how to heal and I trust the process. I am whole, strong, and at peace. Every breath I take fills me with healing energy." By practicing this nightly, your subconscious will begin to accept this new reality. Over time, your mind and body will align with this vision, accelerating your healing journey. As you sleep, your body is regenerating, your mind is renewing, and your soul is embracing a future filled with vitality and strength. Let your imagination be your medicine. See it, feel it, become it. Energy and frequency alignment. Everything in the universe operates on frequency, including your thoughts, emotions, and even the cells in your body. The state of your health, your emotions, and your well-being is determined by the energy you carry. If you constantly live in stress, worry, or fear, your body is trapped in a low-frequency state, which weakens the immune system, slows down healing, and drains your energy. However, when you shift your frequency to a higher state through gratitude, love, and inner peace, you activate your body's natural ability to heal and restore itself. Consider the difference between stress and calmness. When you are stressed, your body releases cortisol and adrenaline, hormones that keep you in survival mode. Your heart rate increases, your muscles tense up, and your body prioritizes short-term survival over long-term healing. In this state, deep rest and cellular repair become difficult. However, when you shift into a state of relaxation and gratitude, your body produces healing chemicals like oxytocin and serotonin, which lower stress, boost your immune system, and promote regeneration. One of the most powerful ways to realign your energy is through emotion and intention. Instead of allowing external circumstances to dictate how you feel, you must consciously choose the energy you want to embody. Before you sleep, take a few deep breaths and ask yourself, am I holding on to stress or negativity that no longer serves me? How can I shift my energy to a state of healing and renewal? What would my life look like if I fully embraced peace, health, and joy? Now, imagine your body as a field of energy vibrating with new possibilities. Feel yourself surrounded by a warm, healing light. This light represents balance, renewal, and complete well-being. As you breathe, visualize this light filling every cell in your body, dissolving tension, washing away negativity, and replacing it with strength and vitality. To elevate your frequency, focus on elevated emotions before bed. Gratitude, feel thankful for the smallest things: the air you breathe, the warmth of your bed, the lessons of the day. Gratitude shifts your energy instantly. Love. Think of someone or something that fills you with love. This emotion expands your energy field and enhances healing. Peace. Let go of the need to control everything. Trust that your body and mind know how to heal. Surrender to the process. Affirm to yourself, I am raising my frequency to a state of healing and renewal. Every breath fills me with peace and balance. I trust my body's ability to restore itself completely. As you drift into sleep, your body will respond to this energy shift. Your nervous system will calm, your cells will repair, and your subconscious will absorb this new, higher frequency. You are not just healing physically, you are transforming energetically. Let your body align with the highest frequency of healing, renewal, and strength. Surrender to the power within you and let the energy of transformation guide you toward a new reality. Reprogramming the subconscious mind for deep healing. Your subconscious mind is the most powerful tool you have for transformation and healing. It operates beneath your conscious awareness, shaping your beliefs, emotions, and even your physical health. The subconscious controls nearly 95% of your daily thoughts and behaviors, meaning that much of what you experience, whether positive or negative, is a result of deep programming from your past. But here's the good news: you can reprogram your subconscious for healing, empowerment, and renewal. The subconscious mind is most receptive when you are in a deeply relaxed state, particularly before sleep. This is why your thoughts and emotions at the end of the day are so critical. If you go to bed feeling stressed, anxious, or overwhelmed, your subconscious absorbs those feelings and continues reinforcing them while you sleep. But if you go to bed with thoughts of healing, gratitude, and strength, your subconscious accepts these new patterns and begins to make them your reality. Think of your subconscious as fertile soil. Whatever seeds you plant will grow. If you plant seeds of fear, doubt, and limitation, those will become your dominant patterns. But if you plant seeds of health, confidence, and peace, those will take root and shape your life. The key is to consciously choose what you feed your mind before sleep so that your subconscious can work for you rather than against you. How to reprogram your subconscious for healing while you sleep. Use affirmations to rewrite your inner script. The words you speak to yourself shape your reality. Before bed, repeat powerful affirmations that reinforce healing, such as, my body is healing and restoring itself while I sleep. Every cell in my body vibrates with health and energy. I release all tension and allow deep relaxation to renew me. I trust in my body's ability to regenerate and restore perfect health. Say these affirmations with emotion, not just as words, but as deep beliefs. Your subconscious mind responds to emotionally charged thoughts, so feel the truth of these statements as you say them. Visualize your future self in perfect health. Your subconscious creates reality based on the images you hold in your mind. If you continuously visualize pain, illness, or stress, your body will mirror that state. But when you vividly picture yourself as completely healed, full of energy, and thriving, your subconscious begins to align your body with that image. Each night before sleep, close your eyes and imagine yourself waking up feeling refreshed, energized, and strong. Every organ and cell in your body functioning at its highest level. Moving through your day with ease, free from pain or tension. See it, feel it, and believe it as if it's already happening. Your subconscious will accept this vision as reality and begin rewiring your mind and body to match it. Practice deep breathing and let go of resistance. Tension, stress, and fear create blocks in the subconscious, preventing true healing. Before sleep, practice deep, intentional breathing to release any resistance. Try this. Inhale deeply for 4 seconds, feeling your body fill with fresh, healing energy. Hold for 4 seconds, allowing that energy to spread through your body. Exhale slowly for 6 seconds, releasing all stress, negativity, and resistance. As you exhale, mentally affirm, I release all that no longer serves me. This simple practice signals to your subconscious that it is safe to let go, relax, and enter a healing state. Listen to healing sounds or guided meditation. Certain sounds and frequencies can influence the subconscious and guide it toward healing. 432 Hz and 528 Hz frequencies are known to promote relaxation and cellular repair. Guided meditations with positive affirmations, deep breathing, and visualization can help rewire your subconscious mind effortlessly while you sleep. You can play a guided meditation or soft, healing music as you drift off. This keeps your subconscious focused on renewal, even while you dream. Trust the process. Healing is already happening. As you implement these techniques, understand that your body and mind are designed to heal. Trust that every night, as you sleep, your subconscious is working in your favor, restoring balance, and aligning you with the healthiest version of yourself. Before closing your eyes tonight, remind yourself, I am healing, I am whole, I am at peace. My subconscious is creating health, happiness, and renewal. I trust in the power of my mind and body to restore me completely. Let go of doubt, let go of fear. Embrace the deep transformative healing that is already happening within you. As you sleep, your mind and body are aligning with a new reality, one of strength, peace, and complete well-being. Healing is not just possible, it is inevitable.